Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kimmy Kim. So recently a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me asking me how do I edit my thumbnails, and today I will just be letting you guys know what I use to edit my thumbnails and how I go about doing that. So I normally use Canva to edit my thumbnails. I used to use other editing softwares before, but Canva has really worked out well for me, and I just love how my thumbnails come out. You can see my recent thumbnails have been looking bomb, so this is why. So first things first, I upload the photos that I want to use in my thumbnail, and I just wait till it's uploaded and I get started. Now with Canva, it is extremely easy to edit thumbnails and manipulate it and make it look how you want it to look for free. So the photos have already uploaded, and I start to drag and place them where I want it to be. Now normally with these photos you have to fill it in and then go ahead and crop it to your desired size, so that way you can fit more than one photo. Now normally you could use one photo for your thumbnail. I personally like to use more than one, 2 to 3, and I find it gives my thumbnails a great look. Then I drag and place the other one, and I of course resize it to make it huge to fit all corners of my workspace. And as you can see in doing that, it overlaps onto the first photo, and of course that does not look flattering, which is why you're gonna go and crop it to your desired size to get it to fit into your workspace. And from there I just drag it. I love what I see, and I just do a little more editing to make sure it looks perfect and it looks good on the eyes, which is why I'm moving it around and continue to cropping and resizing the photos. Now with Canva, you don't have to worry about the dimensions of your thumbnail because Canva already has that template for you. So if you know you're going to do a YouTube thumbnail, you want to look for the YouTube channel and click that, so that way you can edit. You can also do Facebook posts, blog posts, and so on and so forth. So since this thumbnail is for my video about 25 YouTube ideas, I type in YouTube just to see what kind of emojicons and icons that I can get to place into my thumbnail. So of course I'm looking for camera because that all stems in with what I am going to talk about in that video. Now majority of the time I don't use all of the stuff I input. I just see what looks best and I go through there, and Canva has a ton of free emojis and icons that you can use to further enhance your thumbnail. Some of them you have to pay, but majority of them you can get for free and get good looking thumbnails. Now, when creating my thumbnails, I love to go look at similar videos with similar title with mine and look at their thumbnails and what they use and incorporated in their thumbnails. And majority of the time I adopt exactly what they do. So I have typed in 25 YouTube video ideas, which is what my video is about, and I'm scrolling through just looking at the top set of videos and seeing what I can utilize in their thumbnail for my thumbnail. After I have watched similar videos to mine, I head back to Canva to continue editing my thumbnail. So I knew that I wanted to incorporate 25 into my thumbnail because I am talking about 25 video ideas, and if you notice in the similar videos like mine, majority of them had the number of videos ideas in their thumbnail. So I wanted to make sure that I incorporated that also into my thumbnail. So I searched for 25, didn't really like what I saw. I decided to search for the numbers separately, 25, got an emojicon or icon that I actually liked and I actually was able to work with. Now note well, you can edit those icons and emojicons. So yes, it is black, I can resize it, I can change the color and so on and so forth, so that way it can sync with my thumbnail. So I'm just resizing it because I want my viewers to be able to see my face but also see what is on my thumbnail. I then click text and go ahead and typing something that goes well with my video, and that is video ideas, because if you notice I use the emojicons to put 25 YouTube video ideas. And of course, you can change the color of your text, you can change the color of any emoji or any icon that you've gotten from Canva and change it to your desire. If you notice, I've recently started to brand my channel. My colors are pink. If you notice, majority of my videos incorporates pink, either a pink background, a pink border. I'm really trying to brand my channel and I wanted to incorporate the color, but somehow it wasn't working out for me and I just had to go with red. Now I go into elements and click shape so I can go ahead and start my border. Recently I've started to put pink borders on my thumbnails and I'm trying to incorporate that with each and every thumbnail. So of course the standard color for the thumbnail is black. I just go ahead and size it to fit all corners of my thumbnail. And this is what I came up with. I really loved it, but for some reason I don't like it. Like, it goes well with my brand and how I'm trying to brand my channel and the color schemes that I'm using on my videos, but for some reason I didn't like it and I felt like it should have been red because YouTube color, YouTube logo is red and white. So I wanted to incorporate that so when persons see it, they'll be inclined to click my video. And of course I changed everything to red. The border and the emojis, the icons that I used, everything was red, which doesn't go with my branding scheme on my channel, but I felt that it was better to put it red. I click a download in the top right corner and my thumbnail is downloading, and then I can go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So guys, this is how I edit my thumbnails for my YouTube video on Canva. I really love it. This is what I've been using until I find a better editing software, but for now I am loving Canva. Let me know if you use this and what you like about it. Anyway, I'm your girl Kimmy Kim. I love y'all and I will check you guys in the next video. Beso.